Hey there, it's Alyssa. I'm an independent Scentsy consultant, and if you're watching this, that means you scanned the link to watch how to make samples, or if you're just on my YouTube channel, hello, welcome. If you are interested in Scentsy as a business, I have my join link below. But today we're gonna get started on how to make felt samples. So making samples is not a requirement of working with Scentsy, but once you get the smell under their nose, they are hooked. They can read the books, you can give them a little sample of things. I have my little talking about what Scentsy is, but until they actually smell it, they don't really know what they're in for. And when they do, they're hooked. Okay, so let's talk about sample making. You need wax, that's the first one. Pick waxes. And then the second thing is felt. You can get felt from the Scentsy consultant store online on your dashboard, or you can just get a big sheet of it and then just cut it in little squares, which is what I do. I just get it from Michael's or the Dollar Tree or Walmart, anywhere. And I just cut up a bunch to have it ready to go. And then you just need little baggies to hold the felt in. These came from Michael's. They're like 1.5 by 2.5. If you want to make bigger samples, then you can get 2 by 3 size. And then however you want to make them is up to you. So you're going to see it in the video how I do it. Then I simply just put them in these little holders and bags. However, this came from the Dollar Tree, just has a bunch in there. So I just kind of keep them everywhere so that when I want to make my sample bags like this, they're ready to go. I can just grab, make a bag. It's ready to go. Pop someone's address on the back here and send it off to them. Once they smell this, they are super excited. They just have to scan this code and then they can go right to my website and shop, or they can talk to me more if they're interested about other avenues of getting their stuff for free. Thanks for watching, and here's how to make the samples. So it's best to have everything all lined up so you're ready to go. I've got my printout here of the 2 different waxes I'm going to make. I have wax paper, tweezers, pre-cut felt. I'm doing cocoa nuts for coconuts in my melter here. This is actually my melter for waxing my legs, but I used it and it works just as good. So you can do felt, or I'm doing for Easter time. These little guys, it's so cute. They're little bunny butts. And I tried out just one to see if it worked. It's so cute. And I'm using a plastic spoon just to make it easier to kind of swish around and melt. So I'm gonna take a felt, and I like to just get in the corner here, dip it down, pick it up, let the excess dry off, and let it dry right here. Once it's all dry, then I put them in little Ziploc baggies and put the name of it on the front. I don't do the description of which each thing is, because if they immediately like the smell, they can look into it more. I don't think they really need to know all the notes of the scents. If they like it, they like it. And I hope this helps you.